Hello from Slovenia again. I just found this thing. It's a ceramic thing, and I was just thinking that I will try to pour with it. And it has two different, you see, parts. So, and it's Tiziano, an artist, some line from Europe. So I think that I will use this part today and try this one. On the next video maybe I will just remove my spinner and my 12 by 12 inch canvas on the side for that part. Just a second, that it will not be okay. And I have my pearl white mixture, Amsterdam Expert Series Indigo, Pebeo iridescent precious gold, Amsterdam Expert Series permanent red violet, and Windsor Newton Opera rose. And I will just pour here like in a puddle or something, and I will start with my indigo. And gold. And permanent red violet. And opera rose. And pearl white. I just don't want a lot of pearl white. And I will pour a puddle of my pearl white here in the middle. A kind of a flow extender, a little bit, and maybe for some effects too. Okay, just spin a little bit. Let's see now what will happen with this. Definitely I didn't expect that, but interesting. So I will use pearl white for my flow extender. I will just rack it a little bit, and I will use this silicone brush today. Let's see what will happen now. I really like this painting, I have to say. I didn't expect that it will flow in two, that it will separate. So just want to tilt this heart shape more to the middle. And I have this really deep edges, so here is a close-up. Such an interesting piece. Now that I know that it flows to sides, I will know. I like how this opera rose dries against with this permanent red violet, because it gives kind of a light to it. So I will definitely show you what I mean in some of my next videos. So interesting. Can't wait to pour another one from the opposite side of this Aladdin's lamp. It reminds me of Aladdin's lamp. So tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. Bye.